Faith is the second step to wealth because desire alone is not enough to move a life forward. Desire sets a destination, but faith creates motion. In the language of the sea, desire is the map, and faith is the wind. A captain can point to an island on parchment all day long, but if he does not believe in the voyage, his ship stays tied to the dock. Many people confuse faith with hope. Hope says, maybe it will work. Faith says, I will make it work. That difference is the line between drifting and steering. Faith is not a gift given to lucky people. It is a mental state built through repetition, focus, and emotional certainty. The mind learns like a crew learns, by daily practice. Whatever you feed the mind consistently, it begins to treat as reality. If you feed it fear, it becomes skilled at fear. If you feed it confidence, it becomes skilled at confidence. Most people unknowingly train doubt. They rehearse worst-case scenarios, repeat limiting sentences, and then wonder why their actions feel weak. The inner voice becomes the ship's captain, even when the real captain is standing right there. Faith begins when you choose what voice will lead. You cannot wait for perfect evidence before you act, because action is what produces evidence. A captain does not wait for the sea to promise calm waters. He prepares the ship, sets the sails, and corrects course while moving. Waiting for certainty is how people stay in the harbor forever. Faith is the decision to move while the fog is still on the water. This is why faith is tied to auto-suggestion. What you repeatedly say to yourself, what you repeatedly visualize, and what you repeatedly focus on becomes your internal program. And your program controls your behavior. When your program is, I can't, you hesitate, overthink, and quit early. When your program is, I will learn, you adjust, try again, and keep moving. The storm does not vanish, but your posture inside the storm changes. Faith also creates persistence. Without faith, obstacles look like stop signs. With faith, obstacles look like navigation problems, and navigation problems can be solved. The person with faith asks different questions. What can I do next? Who can teach me? How do I move one step forward today? These questions keep momentum alive, and momentum is everything. Wealth rarely comes from one lucky moment. It comes from steady movement in the same direction until opportunities can finally catch up. Faith does not mean you never feel fear. Fear will always show up when the ocean gets rough. Faith means fear is no longer the one holding the wheel. Fear becomes information, not control. It tells you where to strengthen the ship, what skill to practice, what risk to manage. But it does not decide your course. The wealthy mindset is not the absence of fear. It is the ability to act in spite of fear because belief is stronger. Faith also changes how the world responds to you. People trust those who trust themselves. Teams follow leaders who speak with conviction. Opportunities open around individuals who act with certainty. This is not magic. It is psychology. Confidence influences decisions, and decisions create results. Results build more confidence, and the cycle becomes self-reinforcing. That is why faith matters so much. It starts the positive loop. If you want a practical image, imagine two ships in the same storm. One captain panics, doubts every move, and turns back. The other captain holds the wheel, keeps the crew focused, and adjusts the sails. Same storm, different outcome. Faith is the difference. It does not guarantee that the sea will be easy, but it guarantees that you will keep moving long enough to reach land. The second step to wealth is faith, because faith locks desire into action. It turns your goal into a non-negotiable course. It makes you train your mind like you train your hands. And when the storm comes, as it always does, you will not beg the sea for mercy. You will steer through it, because a captain with faith does not drift. He decides. Subscribe to Map to Wealth and set sail for greatness. Your treasure awaits.